We are at the Rochester Yacht Club, largely a sailing yacht club, founded in 1877, one of the oldest in the country.
Right here on the edge. Beautiful. You're a good 15 feet away from it. Okay. Yeah, tug right in front. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. No, it's all clear. You're good. Nothing. All the way down to the bridge. Good.
So as we turn out of the yacht club there, you saw our hosts, Joe and Carol, out on the eastern shore. On the western shore of the Genesee River is the Port of Rochester Yacht Club. And Genesee River brought to my mind a Genesee beer, which was a beer that I grew up with. And that was founded in 1878, the Genesee Beer Company, a year after the Yacht Club. Hello from the bridge of the Here's to Us. It is a beautiful morning on Lake Ontario. We have departed Rochester Yacht Club, where we had a beautiful evening there, and now proceeding along the northern shore of New York here on Lake Ontario, just about, maybe about a mile or so off of the shore. Pretty much a straight line over about 66 miles to Wilson, New York, where we will tie up there at Bootleggers Marina. Beautiful homes out there along the northern shore of New York there as it touches Lake Ontario. All four of the other Great Lakes drain into Lake Ontario from the Niagara Escarpment, what we know as Niagara Falls. Elevation of the lake is about 243 feet, and at any one deepest point, I believe it's about 800 feet deep. Ontario, the word Ontario comes from a couple Indian names, either the Great Lake or Beautiful Lake, depending on which translation you see. Pretty much like glass as we're going through Lake Ontario today. We are proceeding still along the northern shore of New York that touches Lake Ontario. So the south part of Ontario, the north shore of New York. And I see a couple boats out there that are actually going into Orchard Creek. And a lot of lake homes out there. The sea state here is like glass for the most part. It's a beautiful day, and we are just enjoying the journey, getting a little bit of work done, and just having a great time on the water. So we are proceeding to Wilson where we're going to stage our boat, and we're very excited that we have our car with us because we drove the car to Alexandria Bay and we've been getting it shuttled down via Lynn and Sally, our friends in Clayton, and also our very good friend Charlotte, who is going to drive it to Wilson for us. And we really don't know what's going to happen when we get to Wilson because we're going to have to go through the Welland Canal since our boat is so tall we couldn't take it through the Western Erie. And we've had a lot of misinformation and information about whether we can go through the Welland Canal ourselves. We've had a Canadian couple who was told that they could be on the boat. Actually, they're dual citizens. They were told they could be on the boat. Then they were told they couldn't be on the boat. We had another friend who was told they could go through. They attempted to go through. They turned them back. A couple days later, they called him at home, said he and his wife could be on the boat. And then at night, after he submitted the paperwork, he was told they couldn't be on the boat. So we are in the land of the unknown. So we are now at Wilson and staging the boat for what comes next, and who knows what comes next.
On our way into Wilson, we actually stayed at Bootleggers Marina. There was a swan that kind of led us down the channel. It was the weirdest thing. And then when we got there and got docked, there was a family of swans that stayed in our area. And with all the uncertainty of travel during this time, it was just a peaceful sight to see, and we really enjoyed it.
Well, thanks for coming along with us on this journey from Rochester, New York to Wilson, New York, and we're just going to see what happens on the next journey, whether we'll be on the boat or we won't be on the boat.